I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You enable Super Chat because it turns chat messages into priority highlights and revenue. First, confirm your channel meets monetization and eligibility requirements and sign into YouTube Studio. Once done, navigate to Monetization, choose Supers, and toggle Super Chat on. Make sure your payment and identity verification are complete so funds can be processed. This gets you from zero to ready. Next, prepare price tiers and instructions for viewers so contributions are clear during your stream. You must actively guide viewers through the payment flow while streaming. Explain the price tiers, show how to pick an amount and enter a message, and remind people where to find the currency selector. Once Super Chats start appearing, prioritize quick acknowledgements. Read a few, respond with clear cues, and pin an example message to set expectations. Also, coordinate with moderators to filter spam and flag inappropriate messages, so the experience stays positive and compliant with platform rules. You complete the workflow by reviewing revenue and interaction logs after the stream. Once the broadcast ends, check YouTube Studio for Super Chat totals, timestamps, and any refund or dispute flags. If you or viewers encounter failed payments, recheck billing, currency, and identity verification. Ask viewers to try a different payment method. For persistent issues, use moderation logs and platform support. Finally, make a short action list to improve placement, acknowledgement speed, and instructions for your next stream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.